In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. And at the address bar, paste the link that I have provided you at the description box below. So by that, make a right click and click on paste, or either press Ctrl V key on your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to see this page where you'll get to see this HP DeskJet 2131 all-in-one printer. So by that, please scroll down. Okay, scroll down and find for this result, which is installation software and full or basic driver supports print and scan functionality, and click on download next to it. Once you click on it, you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, you have to wait until it would be downloaded. Once done, you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Please proceed to this folder icon to show it in folder. Now from here, okay, you need to make a right click while selecting this application or file that you have downloaded, and then click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click, and then you need to click on paste. Once you have pasted the file, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click, and if you have a WinRAR tool, you can use that one to extract this application. So proceed to a WinRAR, and there you can find extract to. The moment you click on it, kindly wait until you'd be able to successfully create a new file folder here which contains our driver. Once here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, you can find at the left side Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. And from here, you'll get to see this option called printers and scanners. Click on it. And from that, you'd be able to see this option called add device. Click on it. And kindly wait until you'll be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. So click on add manually. And then you need to wait until this window will show up where you can find a printer by other options. So please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next. Then click on this down arrow key and please choose among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on next. Click on have disk and click on browse. So see storage started file is being placed at the desktop. Then we need to click on here desktop. Then under the desktop, scroll down and you can find a printer driver. Select on that. And there you can see the list of drivers. So just select any of this. Click on open and click on OK button. Once you're good, you'll be able to see that one. You can rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting 2131. Then click on next here and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this printer driver HP DeskJet 2131 in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.